Hi everyone, I'm Saiza Ragunhan and welcome to another episode of Babae Sino Ka. This is a passion project wherein I invited several movement artists here in the Philippines. Siyempre, mga babae. Yung talagang nakaka-inspire yung mga leaders of the community. And for today, we have the women, ang dami, the woman behind the house community. She's been representing the scene in several battles, performances. Kay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi, Saiza.
How are you? Musta ka
Okay
naman?
naman. Okay naman. Sorry. Masaya.
Very! I love it. So, the purpose of this podcast is for people to know your story, your journey. So, how did you start dancing muna? Or movement in general?
Nakakatawa kasi pag sinabi ko yung pinaka-start ko. Ang sa family kasi namin, ang sumasayaw talaga yung ate ko, si Ate Sin. Tapos ako, wala lang, kasi close kami, tapos sobrang na-inspire ako. So parang may mga videos kami nung bata na pag siya sumasayaw ang ayos. Tapos meron sa gilid ako, parang yung basketball. Kasi si Honey.
May nanggugulo sa gilid. Okay.
Pero yung
okay.
movement ko nun, parang nga daw lalaki. No? Tapos parang nagtuloy-tuloy na lang siya. So lagi kong sinasabi nga, if sa family talaga, ang born dancer sa amin, yung ate ko, ako talaga, trained lang.
Oh.
Kasi mas siya yung nag-choreograph.
Oh.
Ako lagi lang akong tuturuan niya na. So, dun lang siya nag-progress hanggang sa college. Competing na. Tapos, parang for some reason, nung nagka-pyesa kami ng house, dun ko na-realize na, why does this dance feel so good? Pero hindi ko siya ma-define as much noon. Kasi, wala, parang ang utak ko gusto kong mag-choreograph eh. Gusto ko rin maging choreographer. Pero nung tumatagal, parang bakit hindi siya para sa akin? Kahit sobrang pinipilit ko. Tapos wala, tapos nagtuloy-tuloy lang. And then I met these amazing people who wants to pursue house. Tapos yun, they embraced me, they welcomed me, tapos yun na siya, doon na nagtuloy-tuloy yung house. Minsan nga iniisip ko na, tama ba na house agad? Kasi minsan yung may mga namimit ako na bago nila mahanap yung sayaw nila or yung style nila, they explored muna. Eh ako parang, alam ko agad na house. Tapos parang, yun, minsan naiisip ko pa rin yung question na yun na, should I have explored other styles before I dived in to house?
Yun. Ganda, no? Parang ngayon ko lang pala nalaman na yung ate mo pala yung dancer. Amazing. Tapos you're inspired by another woman na in your family. I love that. Tapos parang saan ka before nag-dance? Yung sinabi mo kanina, nung college?
Adamson.
Sino yung naging teacher mo dati?
Ang coach namin, si Kuya Bono, saka si Ate Ina. Hayomas.
Amazing. So,
Groove Jacks.
Oo.
Yan.
Oh my God. Groove Jacks. Shout out. Amazing.
Yes.
Nakakatawa. Tapos talagang na-in-love ka na sa house. Is it the movement, the music, both?
It's the music. Parang nagulat ako nung, kasi syempre 2010, era of EDM.
Yeah.
Pero for some reason, parang EDM speaks to me. Pero hindi ako pumupunta sa rave.
Yeah.
Pero gusto ko yung music niya. Tapos parang nung mga 2016, 2017, nung inaaral ko na yung culture, as in, ang daming flashback na nung bata ako, I love Bonnie Bailey, I love Moon. Yung mga simple things na gano'n na parang, so ever since pala talaga, I love house music na.
Oo, you're gravitated towards that rhythm.
Oo, hindi ko lang alam. So, parang nung inaaral ko siya nung tumatagal, parang mas nakikilala ko yung sarili ko. So, ayun, kaya let's go house.
Yeah. I love it. Kasi ang sarap rin sa tenga, sa katawan ng house music. Actually, medyo ako din. May history na sa house. Kasi in love rin talaga ako sa house music. Sa house mismo. Parang, kumbaga, before ballroom, before voguing. Parang Filingera House. Nagka-Capitol Commons pa kami dati.
Nico.
Nico.
Oh
my gosh, nakakahiya. Dati doon nang nagja-jam-jam before, diba? Pero how did your love for house grew?
I think nung naintindihan ko yung culture niya, kasi parang ang dami kong pinanood na documentary, lalo na nung pandemic. Syempre wala naman tayong ibang magagawa eh. So, lahat ng mga available documentaries, pinanood ko siya. Tapos parang ang dami kong natutunan na yung house music was a revolution for the people. Like, in UK, naban yung house music. Yung mga simple things na gano'n. Parang why? Tapos parang it says a lot. So, parang naging parang protest nila yung house music. And when, yung mga simple things na gano'n. Tapos parang knowing na yung club culture nga was an escape for people. It felt the same to me. Kasi, syempre, growing up from a very conservative household, syempre, hindi ako masyadong nakalabas-labas. Tapos, nung nakapunta ako sa clubs, parang, and they don't even pressure me to drink. So, parang, minsan pag-uuwi ako, si mama, bakit puyat ka na naman? Pero, hindi naman ako lasing. Saan ka magaling? Ano talagang ginagawa mo? So, to a point na, kinuwento ko pa kay mama ano yung house. So, doon ako natutuwa kasi although, syempre, hindi fully mag-grasp ng parents ko, minsan, nandun yung curiosity nila to understand my world. Kaya parang lalo akong nai-in-love sa house talaga. And din nga, yung culture kasi ng house dance na as Hiro San said, it's all love.
Yeah.
Yun, parang, hindi ko alam, parang hindi ko kayang sa battles, parang hindi ko kayang
hindi mo kayang tattle mo, ganyan. Mas parang you move with love talaga. Since yun naman talaga yung ano niya.
Parang yun nga parang na-shock talaga kasi it validates talaga. Kasi when I represent house in battles, na i-intimidate ako kasi hindi ko kayang mag trash talk or yung mga hand gesture na ganyan. Parang, hindi.
It's not you. It's not you.
Pero, basta tuwing battles lang, nakangiti lang ako, chine-cheer ko pa yung opponent ko. Tapos, yun, nung sinabi siya, parang it validates the culture that I represent. So, I just know na I'm in the right community.
Yun. I love it. Sino yung una mong na-meet sa Pajak? Before magkaroon ng Pajak? Or paano ba nabuo si Pajak?
I think nabuo na talaga siya. Parang, buo na siya bago pa ako dumating.
Before you came in. Okay.
Ang una kong nakikita before Pajak pa, nakikita ko nga si Kuya Nico tsaka si Marcuro. Pero I never got to connect with them. Nakikita ko lang lagi. Tapos parang mga 2016, 2017, nakita ko na si Paul Fausto. Nagka-class. Tapos parang, okay, hindi ko na palalampasin to. Gusto ko na talagang mag-take ng house class. Tapos yun, parang dun sa classes ni Paul na na-attendan ko, na-meet ko si Kuya Jay, si Jem, si JP, si Coach Mix, si Kuya Von. Yun na, si Tickboy, nag-domino na siya. Tapos biglang, may Pajak na. Pero ako parang, wala, class taker lang, class, ganyan. Tapos parang when they invited me, go, sige. Tara na. Yun.
Pero ano yung feeling na parang, puro lalaki sila, tapos parang, diba, parang, shocks. Feel nung in-invite ka sa training, tapos ikaw lang yung babaeng papasok doon.
In a way, nakaka-intimidate siya. But at the same time, empowering. Kasi nung pumasok naman ako yun nga, nandun si Coach Mix eh.
Oo nga
so
pala.
Parang I had a big sister din naman.
Parang ate like your ate din, no?
May ate ako sa Pajak. But at the same time, ang hirap kasi, yun nga, house is known to be a very footwork na style. I mean, hindi naman ako athletic eh. Parang, si Paul, yun, Dolphin Dive. Only Dolphin Dive subscription yan eh. May Dolphin Dive Premium pala. Ako naman, di ko kaya Dolphin Dive B. As a free subscription lang ako eh. Yun. Tapos, parang, in a way, yun, nakaka-intimidate siya kasi I can't do the things that my fellow brothers can do. But at the same time, I know na may hindi rin silang kayang gawin. And that's my femininity. I doubt they can do this.
Yeah, exactly. the authentic female energy.
Diba? Ayun, yun siya.
Yeah, I love.
Tuloy-tuloy lang din. Kasi parang at the same time, gusto kong mag-grow din yung female house dancers eh. So at the same time, it kept me going na I have a reason to push for this scene. Yun.
Oo, para magkaroon ka ng kasama. Ganyan, ng mga babae. Sa community.
Oo. And at the same time, parang ang saya kasi it's not just Pajak who pushed the movement eh. We have Kuya James, and then we have Tajak, and then we have the people from the South and from Mindanao and Visayas who are pushing the scene. So, in a way talaga, nakikita siya. Yun, unti-unti na kang nag-grow, and I see the women in the community na, and ang saya niya, sobrang saya sa feeling na
hindi ka na nag-iisa.
We're not alone ni Ate Mix anymore.
Yeah. I love. Kasi 'di ba, parang, pero syempre, parang male-dominated pa rin si community. You see them, of course, I'm sure, they like take care of you as a sister and everything. May mga times ba na parang, syempre may mga usap-usap or whatever, wait lang, hindi ako makarelate. Parang may mga time na may mga conversations na parang, andito po ako.
Palagi.
So, parang nagkakaroon ka na rin ng ganun, parang, okay, ganyan pala sila mag-isip.
Palagi naman.
Diba?
Kasi parang, ever since then, yung group of friends ko talaga, puro lalaki.
Okay.
Kaya nga yung boyfriend ko rin, contrast kami. Ako, puro boys yung friends ko, tapos siya puro girls.
Ooh, the balance.
Balance talaga kami ni Jeremy.
I love it.
Shout out to Jeremy.
Hey!
My direct. Yun.
Okay.
Tapos parang, kaya at the same time, nung winelcome din ako ng Pajak, yun nga, parang hindi naman siya, hindi ako naging uncomfortable. Pero yun nga, may times din na sinasabi ko kay Jeremy na, as much as na gusto ko yung, nasanay nga ako sa mostly guys yung friends ko. At the same time, meron akong feeling na, pero hindi pa rin kayo babae. Hindi nyo, parang pag nag-open ako, gets ko yung logical side nyo. But then, gusto ko din yung logical, yung rationale ng isang babae. And parang, hindi ko alam who I can reach out to. Yun. So,
kasi ganun talaga eh. You know, women, women are meant to be placed. Parang feeling ko kaya ka nandyan kasi you have a role, specific role in that community. Tapos parang usually, if it's something bigger than yourself, you have to do it alone. And you can, and you will be able to do it alone. Kasi ganun siya. Parang nilalagay ka sa lugar na parang, pressure. Right? Ganyan. And then, dun matetest. Doon ka masa-strengthen. Diba?
Nung una nga, parang unconscious ako eh. Lately ko lang na siya na-realize. Kasi nung una, parang gusto ko lang mag-house, gusto ko lang i-represent yung dance. Let's go. Tapos biglang bigla na nila akong tinatawag na mamaki, na yung female keme, parang, wag.
Kasi may iffy feeling ba?
Iffy talaga. Hanggang ngayon, sobrang iffy niya. Hanggang ngayon nga pag tinatawag ako ng yung mga iilan sa padyak or even mga outside padyak, mamaki, parang, bitch, I'm 28.
Mama.
Sorry, okay lang. Sorry.
Okay lang.
Nagdan ako parang, ano ba? Tapos yun, parang yung finest female, best female, parang, hindi, parang, hindi eh. Gusto ko lang i-represent yung house, pero I don't want to claim anything. But, yun nga, recently nagkaroon ako ng realignment with myself, with what happened sa house to house just last week. Na, if that's how the community sees me, then, sige, I'll receive it na. It's just that, kaya siguro ayoko before, kasi I know the pressure, the responsibility that it takes to be the best, the mother of a community. And, yun nga, lagi kong hinahalin tulad sa'yo, kay Casey, kay Christina, kay Aina. Alam ko palang na I don't have the personality, the strong personality that you guys have. So parang, bakit kailangan I'm in the same caliber as these women? Kasi hanggang ngayon, I super look up to you guys. So parang I feel like I don't deserve. And I think it's the imposter syndrome talking talaga. Or yun nga, the part na dahil siguro babae ako. Kaya nagkakaroon ako ng malaking self-doubt. And I think it's the case talaga for women to naturally self-doubt. Yun.
Oh my gosh. Pero syempre, diba, just receive it. Because, I mean, you've been doing the work for the past how many years? You've been pouring your heart sa style, sa community, and you've been learning with all honesty. Na parang you just wanna be honest with your movement. You just wanna send a message. And actually, nakikita ko siya talaga pag nagbabattles ka. Nakikita ko na pag, alam mo yung parang talagang nasa moment ka. Hindi ko yung makalimutan. I think that was last year. Yung parang nakita ko, shit, iba yung galaw ni Kay. Iba. Ay, talagang parang, biglang, kita. Tsaka talagang, hindi siya matatago sa face mo. Kapag nag-e-enjoy ka bumabattle, talagang it shows. And, it's very authentic to see movement, that kind of movement. And, yun nga, na parang, this is me, this is how I move, I don't care, and I don't need to be like this and like that. Kasi this is me. Parang gano'n, yun yung nakita ko sa'yo. And, I see na parang, alam mo, the fight na parang, bahala kayo. Oh my God. Nakikita siya na parang, bahala kayo, andito ako, wala akong pakialam kung ano sabihin nyo. I'm gonna do my thing. I'm just gonna have fun. And usually naman, sa battles, it's, I mean, ako, how I say it to my kids, how I share it, na parang, it's not really about the championship for all styles, or it's not about the trophy. It's really the statement that you make on the floor, that you show on the floor. It's your message. Yung championship, yung grand prize, it's an extra. But it's always, basta pag ikaw, na-enjoy mo yung floor, alam mo hindi ka nag-hold back. That's it. Yun.
Pero yun nga din yung parang gusto kong itanong sa'yo. Parang, along the way ba, alam ko, minsan, nainisip mo din naman yun yung extra na lang yan.
Yeah.
Pero did it ever, like, get a toll on you? Yung not winning?
Of course. Lalo na kung talagang gusto mo talaga makuha yun. Pero like, alam mo yun, I mean, kanya-kanyang oras lang siya. Parang kanya-kanyang oras na parang, if it's in this moment, it's not for me, okay, dun ako sa next. Kasi a trophy does not define you. A championship will never define you who you are, your journey, your depth, your movement, your message. At saka, it's just, yes, it's a title, it's a recognition of your hard work. Pero syempre, you are just as good as your last movement, your last battle, your last performance. It's what you do after. Kaya nga yung sinasabi ko na parang, minsan, like, in ballroom, pag na-chop ka, minsan yung iba hindi na bumabalik eh. Pero pag na-chop ka, tapos bumalik ka, yun. Yun yung, na-battle ka, hindi ka nanalo, bumattle ka ulit. Yun. Yun yung bangon mo. Yun yung ikaw. At mas makikilala ka ng tao if you just keep doing your thing. And mas nakikita na parang, ooh. It's usually what you say on the floor. Like for me. And, kasi ikaw lagi kang bumabattle eh. Nakikita ko. As in, lagi kang bumabattle. And, I mean, the intention is seen. The intention na parang, naalala ko before na parang we had a conversation. You were saying, how can we expand the community? Tapos parang, yun nga, napag-usapan natin na just be present anywhere. Kung saan, kaya ando ka lahat, diba? Na parang, you stayed true to your goal. You stayed true to your representation na parang, kahit saan, I'm gonna be there. I'm just gonna dance. I'm gonna show my movement. And now, it shows. It paid off. Sobrang laki ng event yung house to house. And grabe, sobrang nakaka-overwhelm. Ang daming tao.
Overwhelmed talaga.
Girl!
If you know, you know.
Oh my gosh. Grabe. As in, grabe talaga. Like parang, kasi andun kami nung house to house dun sa POB. Yung house to house dun sa M Studio. Yung house. Tapos ito yung third namin na dun sa event. So, parang nakita talaga yung growth at saka, gabi, punta tayo dyan. How is it seeing? How, na parang, boom, ito na siya.
Ay, alam yan ng mga nandun. Nakita nila sa isang ganito ko lang. Walang hahawak. Iiyak ako. Parang sobrang enriching, sobrang overwhelming niya. Lalo na kasi parang yung for 2 days na nandun ako, pinipigilan ko talagang umiyak eh. Dun sa umaga pa lang, naiiyak na ako kasi yung may tendency kasi talaga akong mag-overthink na nakakairita siya. As in, nako-call out ako doon, nakakairita yung pag-overthink ko. But, ewan ko, yun nga, as a perfectionist siguro kasi, as in, niisip ko na, will it go well? May mangyayari bang mali? Ano pang dapat gawin? Tapos, nung natapos yung day 1, okay, naraos. Day 2, patapos na.
Let's go.
Ganun na, onti na lang. Tapos nung sa Mind the Gap, yung finale performance, Pajak, House Heads, Tajak, Pajak South Initiatives. Hindi ko napigilan talaga. Tapos sabi ko, kailangan kong i-take yung video na to. Kasi, ang ganda nga kasi sobrang sakto. It was Jig's idea. Kasi sabi niya, why not gawin natin collaborative yung performance? Anyway, may house groups naman na. So sabi namin, go. Gawin niyo ni Bogs. Do what you do. Do what you want to do. Support namin. Tapos, hindi ko lang in-expect na ganun ka-overwhelming nung nakita ko na siya. So, dun nga sa video, talagang, sigaw ko, let's go!
Oh my gosh.
Parang, yun yung nasa isip ko na grabe, 6 years, 7 years, eto na siya. And although, maliit pa din, statement pa din.
Oo.
Sobrang statement pa rin yung nangyari.
Definitely.
And parang, wala lang, parang yung hirap, yung struggle namin with each other. At least, ngayon, in a way, it's healing also. For me. yun, nung nakita ko paano yung community namin.
Mm-hmm.
So, ang saya. Sobrang, hanggang ngayon nga actually, parang, sobrang gusto ko siyang lalong ituloy pa.
Yeah.
So, parang nag-message din ako sa ibang groups na, if you need anything if may bala kayo mag-event, just let us know, reach out to any Pajak member. We're very willing to support you. As in, ganun ka feel good yung nangyari nung event.
Oh my
Talaga.
gosh. Sobrang kita siya. Sobrang ang ganda. Ang ganda ng event. As in, ramdam yung energy. So, yeah.
Ramdam ko talaga. Ramdam niyo.
Ramdam niyo.
Sa isang
Ramdam na
luha
ramdam
ko
niya.
na.
Lahat ng emosyon na ibuhos.
Sobrang pinipigilan ko
Grabe.
talaga nun. Tapos, may time pa nga si Bronco nun kasi umiiyak na ako. Niyakap niya ako. Sabi ko, thank you for coming. Your presence changed the game.
OMG.
Sabi niya, no, thank you for organizing. Tapos hinag niya ako. No, don't touch me. Sabi ko. Hindi ko sinasadyang sukitan, pero Bronco, if you're listening, shout out. Again, thank you. Thank you for your comfort and your presence.
Oh my God.
And the other international guests also. Sobrang thank you.
Yeah, I mean, iba. Ang ganda. As in, everything, the venue, the lighting, it's well thought of. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, parang, grabe, ang galing, ang galing, ang galing.
Thank you.
At saka even the concept of Mind the Gap, talagang ang galing. Ganda.
Vision siya talaga ni Clara. But again, yun nga, parang it's a collaborative effort eh. So, sa lahat ng house-to-house talaga, sobrang gusto kong i-shoutout si Jem and JP.
Ooh.
I mean, alam ko gusto nila maging anonymous, guys. Pero guys, you deserve the credit talaga.
Oh,
Thank you for pushing this event.
I love it. Behind the scenes, behind the event. Kasi syempre always are the flowers, yung ang ganda, it's very beautiful. How did you guys organize? How did you come up with paano yung dynamics ng Pajak to the event?
Nung nag-start yung house-to-house.
Nung nag-start si house to house, how did it progress? How did it flourish to how it is now?
Honestly, hindi ko masasabi kasi ang pinaka nag spearhead talaga si Jem, lalo na si JP.
Okay.
Nung first house to house, nag-lay low ako kasi may job was killing me. Agency work. And then, nag-pandemic. Pero yun na yung parang dun ko nahanap yung light. Na I want to continue house to house. Sige, pahinga muna kayo, JP Jem. Ako muna. Tapos, tinawag na lang namin sila. It's knowing kung ano yung strength ng isa't isa.
Yeah.
So, and yung vision ng isa't isa, I feel like dun ako nag-hold on to for this recent na house to house. Kasi parang part of me was saying na parang we should step back na.
Really?
Yung ko, parang yun yung naiisip ko before, yun yung sinasabi ko na JP and Jem na you guys have been doing this for so long. I think it's time you take a step back.
Okay.
Tapos parang maybe, I don't know, let the next generation take over. Tapos parang yung vision kasi nila, yun nga eh, hindi naman sa they don't want to take credit talaga. Mas they're doing it for the community. So, parang ikaw yung nag-cultivate ng culture. So, kailangan mapaintindi mo muna bago mo ipasa.
Yeah.
So, yung mga,
Exactly.
yung vision and principles nila, yun yung pinanghawakan ko. Kaya parang sabi ko this year, sige, tulong ako, all in tayo dito. Tapos parang, sabi ko rin, yun nga, based sa events experience ko kasi, Third, lalo na fifth year, is always a defining moment. Dito magkakaalaman if what statement does it do for the community, for the audience. So, it's all or nothing. So, talagang the pressure was on kasi yung mindset namin, lock in tayo, all in, all out tayo dito. Tapos parang, yung part na nakakatawa kasi nung preparations namin for house to house dito, hindi kami nakapagpasko, hindi kami nakapag-New Year.
The sacrifice!
Hindi ko na-enjoy yung birthday ko kasi parang at the back of my mind, kahit nag-greet kami na Merry Christmas, meron parang Merry Christmas, bale, tapos ko na gawin yung ano.
The organization is doesn't stop.
So, nung natapos nga yung house to house, ang unang chat namin sa isa't isa sa aming tatlo, congrats, Merry Christmas. Doon pa lang kami nagpasko.
Oh my gosh, grabe, no? It hard work talaga, organizing an event. The back end, girl, everything. It can make or break a team.
Oo.
Diba? Kasi doon talaga kayo mag-ano doon, yung tension.
Honestly, talaga, ang daming naging riffs din. Sa lahat naman ng preparations ng event namin, laging may riff. But, ang sarap din ma-remind na at the end of the day, we still have each other's backs. And sobrang na-feel ko yun sa recent na house to house na kahit nagkaroon kami ng riff sa isa't isa during the preparation. Hindi as in, ano pang kailangan nyo ni Jem, ano pang kailangan nyo ni JP, kailangan nyo ganito, sige kami na, parang, wow. Yun naman sabi ko, wow. And even kahit yung performers, sobrang nakaka-heartwarming, overwhelmed talaga kasi parang yung presence nyo palang nandun to support. Parang hanggang ngayon talaga na nakaka-inspire siya.
And that's what we do. We just pour our hearts. If we know we love something, bigay talaga. Ganun diba? All in everything. Yes. Kahit na parang pagka ganun mo. Pero pagdating nun, diba? Nakakaano. I have a question. Was there ever a time during your journey before you see everything flourish that parang gusto mo nang bumitaw? Ayaw mo na.
Parang every year, ganun.
Oh my gosh, talaga?
Kasi parang,
interesting.
Kasi, lagi akong syempre, ang tagal ko nagkaka-existential crisis. As a workaholic career woman.
As a career woman.
Oo. Parang nasa isip ko lagi, gusto ko maging creative director, copy-based. As in, nandun yung goal ko. Kaya parang kahit ang hirap ng agency work, hindi, stay ako dito. Pero magja-job hop lang ako. Lipat lang ako, wait lang. Tapos parang tuwing nagja-job hop ako, ang break ko na is the dance.
Okay.
So, wala lang akong trabaho for 3 months, 5 months, sila yung sasayaw ako. And then, pag nag-work ako ulit, wala na ako. Tapos parang, lagi, nandun yung iniisip ko lagi na where my priorities lie. Dun ba ako sa goal ko na sa job ko na maging creative director? O as someone na, gusto lang sumayaw na house. Kasi nga, again, hindi ko inisip before na maging representation ng female house dancers. So, nasisip ko lang, gusto ko lang sumayaw ng house. I just wanna dance this dance. That's it. Tapos, nung binibigay, or nung sinasabi na siya ng mga tao, kahit yung mga tao sa padyak, kahit ina-ML naman nila yun, na, ikaw naman yung best female representation kahit ginaganon nila ako, minsan i-reassure naman nila na, syempre charot lang yun. Masarap ka lang asarin. Sila. Tapos parang, yun, na-remind ako. So, weirdly nakakalungkot isipin. When my friend died, yun pa yung naging wake-up call ko na I don't have to work my ass off till I die. So parang na-realign talaga ako with myself na pwede naman akong maging successful. Hindi naman yung definition ng success is just to be a creative director sa career eh. So, wala, after nun, yun, lumipat ulit ako ng trabaho. Tapos, surprisingly, sobrang nakakagulat how my company supports work-life balance. As in, sila pa yung nagsasabi na mag-leave ka o 5 na, mag-out ka na. And hindi ako sanay. Kasi nga for so long na nasa demanding environment, taxing environment ako. Sila pa yung kasi parang nung 2023, hindi ako halos nag-leave. But, nandun yung work-life balance. Pag 5 out na ako, 4 out na ako, 6 out na ako. As in, sila yung mag-leave ka, go. So, parang, I can really make time. As in, sobrang last year was a good year to realign with myself. Kahit na nagkakaroon ako ng self-doubt. So, tama ba? Nakalimutan ko na yung tanong.
I feel like, if you're ready, kapag alam na ready ka na, everything else will follow. Like, di ba, noong una parang sabi mo, yung almost every year ka na parang susuko na, ayaw mo na. Kasi nga, sobrang, you have to choose between the two. And when feeling ko, noong time na parang, go, just do it, binigyan ka ng opportunity to be able to balance both. And I feel like that's the way of the universe to say na you don't have to choose. You can do both. You can be excellent in both. Ano lang siya. Tamang pace, tamang balance.
And timing talaga.
Exactly, tamang timing.
Sobrang naniniwala na ako sa timing talaga lahat.
Yeah.
Kasi, yun nga eh, ang tagal kong na-frustrate sa ano ba dapat gagawin ko. And kahit yung me not winning battles, naano ako eh,
naalog ka.
Oo, parang, shocks, bakit ba hindi ako manalo?
Yeah.
Tapos parang, sasabihin ulit ng mga tao sa pajak na, anong goal mo? Represent lang ng house, di ba? Hindi mo kailangan isipin yan. So parang, lagi nilang sinasabi, kung gusto mo manalo, may timing. May oras ka dyan. So, if ngayon gusto mo lang i-represent house, yun lang muna isipin mo. So, alam mo yun, parang sobrang naniniwala ko doon. And even yun nga, seeing the community now. Ang hirap, 7 years. Grabe. Pero looking at it now, I wouldn't change a thing.
Ooh, I love it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Totoo. I mean, it's always going back to the intention that you have. And yours is to represent house. Female representation in house. Na parang, girl, I mean, having that mindset, mahirap siya, lalo na if you're juggling into different things, just alam mo parang, wait lang, ba't parang ako lang? Kaya ba to? So many questions. Talagang dadating talaga sa point na parang, minsan, bang nandito ako? Yung may mga ganong moments. Pero, those times, parang kailangan mo rin siyang tangingin sa sarili mo. Para ma-realign ka ulit. Why you fell in love with this community, why you fell in love with this music. And I feel like you're really meant to be there. Kasi you have this energy. What I see with Kay, she has this energy, very calming, very chill, very humble, very quiet. Pero you see that what she do comes out from her honest feeling. Yun yung nakikita ko. And talagang totoo lang, kapag na-frustrate siya, makikita, kahit hindi masyadong halata, pero makikita siya sa eyes. Nakikita siya. Charot. Pero yun, she has that aura. Iba yung aura mo. And I feel like yun rin yung ako lang to ha, sabihin ko lang. Feeling ko lang, wait lang, feeling error. Yung parang iba yung calming presence mo with Pajak being iba-iba kayo na energy. Actually, medyo almost same kayo na energy. No? Sina JP,
Minsan nga iniisip ko,
sina Paul.
Kasi parang lahat kami introvert ba? Yung iniisip ko gano'n.
Parang ang babait nyo lahat. May kasi masama, charot. Yung parang, feeling ko kaya you're gravitated towards each other, not just because of your love in the community, in the dance, in the expression, pero kasi kayo rin you're a click. You have probably, I feel like you have the same principles, the same vision, the same work ethic. Kaya kayo parang technically, parang house din sa ballroom, parang gano'n. Yung parang your dynamics, it's seen na parang very on point. At saka, girl, on time yung nila. May dali na, pero yung towards the end, perfect, saktong-sakto.
12 talaga.
Yung kahit yung performances, tingnan ko yung towards the end. Nagkaroon ng delay sa first, di ba? Pero, nahabol talaga, sabi ko, perfect, I love it. I love it.
Sobrang feeling ko, ang lucky ko lang din to find that tribe.
Yeah.
I feel like it wouldn't be as easy for other women. Nagkataon lang na, yun nga, jive kami. Ako sa kanila, and jive sila sa akin. Pero, super na-appreciate ko kasi at the same time na sobrang honest kami sa isa't isa. Yung dynamic na namin. I mean, it's not all flowers and sparkles, diba? Meron ding riff sa loob. And, ang nakakatuwa kasi doon, sobrang open kami. Yeah. Like, we call out each other pag alam naming mali. Pero, it doesn't change the dynamics of our relationship. So, ayun, parang nakakatuwa kasi, I don't know, parang yung mga experiences ko back in college or parang pagka-graduate, may tendency kasi akong mag-confront ng people when I know na parang mali. So, parang kakausapin ko or tatimingan ko. Tapos parang it's taken as negative kasi na mareklamo ako.
Okay, or frank, or very upfront.
Oo. So, parang parang conservative household din. So, may natutunan ko na lang mag-kim-kim. Tapos parang, yun nga, yung community na to, actually hindi lang pa Jack yung mga house dancers talaga. Nakakatuwa kasi confrontational kami, but at the same time, alam mo, may harmonious yung pag-confront sa isa't isa. And kaya siguro parang kaya parang feeling ko sobrang drawn to it ako. Kasi it's not just in the local scene. I feel like it's also the international dynamics of the house scene. Kasi parang Clara is trying to introduce us to the international scene na nga Parang sinasabi niya sa amin, wala, i-call out ka namin kahit wala sa timing. Sabihin lang namin. Pag kailangan kang ma-call out ngayon, call out kita ngayon na. And yun yung sinasabi niya sa akin na hindi ko kailangan mag-kim-kim. Hindi ko kailangan timingan. So,
just say it at the moment. Be honest with it, diba? And I feel like, kasi nga, it comes from love. The expression is out of love. Hence, the accountability is there. And the respect is there. Yun yung importante sa communication, diba? Na very, very mindful, very respectful, and you have the same kumbaga, you say it with grace and out of love. That's why you're saying it. Parang ganyan.
Yeah. So, not to say naman na sa house community lang siya. Parang,
it's very parallel rin sa ballroom. Siguro, iba lang minsan yung ballroom mag-call out. Very drama, very tea and everything. Kumbaga, iba-iba. Pero, yeah. Everything in dance, in movement, everything revolves around that love for that passion for movement and expression. I feel like ganun siya. At saka, iba kasi, makikita mo iba kung paano gumalaw each community din. Diba? So, yun, wala lang. At saka, same kasi tayo ng music eh, di ba?
Oh,
Parang, girl! Iba talaga. Ang sarap ng house music. Oh
Doon
my
din ako
gosh.
nagulat before.
Diba?
Parang, di ba sa Draft and Define? Diba?
Yeah. OMG!
Parang, di ba? Ang naalala kong unang tanong ko sa'yo, meron bang music ang Vogue? Kasi parang before, sobrang definitive ng mga music eh. So, parang nung sinabi mo na house music lang, parang, wow! Parang interesting
Yeah. Diba? I love it. Ang ganda. Iba kasi talaga. Iba yung house music. Tsaka ang dami niya kasi eksena. Ang daming layers. Ang dami.
Tsaka
ang dami niya.
Ang dami niyang roots talaga.
Ang dami.
I feel yung music in general talaga.
Yes.
Yun naman yung laging sinasabi. Before you understand the dance, you understand the music first. So you know, you understand the
how
culture.
to move then and how to move, how to express.
Oo.
Diba?
That's how you interpret the music, as they say.
Exactly. Okay, punta tayo dun sa dun sa pinupush ng mga tao sa'yo. As the woman who represents house scene here in the Philippines, as the leader of the community, as the mama.
Ayoko talaga. Okay.
Charis. Are you ready? And I feel like, kahit hindi ka ready, kailangan mo maging ready. You're here. You're already there. You're doing it. Even if you feel like people already look up to you. People already are inspired by you, by what you do, your movement, and how you handle things gracefully. Minsan kasi, hindi mo siya paplanuhin. It just happens. So, how does it feel for you now? Eto ka.
Siguro now, nasa first stage ako ng acceptance.
Okay, sige, go.
Kasi parang nung mga days before, as in kahit hanggang house to house, tsaka the years before, yun yung mga sinasabi. Tapos Mama K, Mother K, parang stop. Parang pwede bang hindi? Kasi lagi ko nga din sinasabi sa kanila or kahit kay Jeremy din na nakaka-pressure. Ang mindset ko lang, I just want to represent house. That's it. I want to empower other female house dancers who wanna try it. That's it. Yun lang. Wala. Hindi ko kailangan maging mama. Hindi ko kailangan maging leader. Basta, sasayaw lang ako. Yun lang. Tapos, parang, yung recent talk that I had with Clara, doon ako na-realign with myself na yun nga, as you said, hinand sa akin. Hindi naman ako yung nagpumilit. So,
yeah.
Parang siguro tatanggapin ko na lang, but at the same time, hindi ko na lang iisipin yung pressure or responsibility.
Yeah.
Yun, siguro nasa first stage pa lang ako ng acceptance, pero may hint pa din na ayoko talaga. Kasi I really don't want to take credit for leading the community. Hindi If anything, as in, lahat yan.
Yeah.
Kanya-kanya yan.
I agree.
Kuya James teaching freestyle, John organizing the jams, the mentorships with Jay, Jem, the classes of Bogs, yung mga ganon. Yeah. So, ako battles. Yun lang. Battles lang. Represent ko lang yung house. So, parang,
just do your thing. Yeah,
diba? So, dahil lang ba doon, biglang nanay na ako? Alam mo yun? Saan nanggaling yun, guys? Ayun. So, pero sige, kung yun nga, kung yan yung tingin nyo, edi go. Kahit cringe.
You just have to embrace it. I feel like you just have to embrace it and be graceful about it. Kasi totoo hindi naman mabibuild ang community by just one person. Kaya siya community, it's the work of several people. Kaya siya community. No one can take credit for it na parang, okay, ako yung gumawa. No. Kasi kung ikaw lang yan, hindi siya community. I mean, everyone, lahat, lahat, behind the scenes, participants, the audience, lahat yan. Lahat sila ang nagbubuo ng community. And I feel like, bilang kasi ikaw yung babae, isang babae doon sa scene na parang actively participating, actively putting yourself out there. And I feel like there's a different energy if there's a woman. Alam mo, the natural energy ng babae na very, very
Nurturing.
Yes, very nurturing, very parang wala akong maisip na word, pero that natural care na parang minsan na parang titingin lang o kaya sometimes the presence of a woman already is different, especially if the woman is really strong, especially if the woman like knows what she wants and buo and authentic and really loves where she's at in her life. Nagra-radiate that energy. And I feel like they feel that. Minsan kahit feeling mo, wait, hindi. Pero dahil sobrang in love ka sa community, sobrang love mo, kahit hindi mo sabihin, kahit in-deny mo siya, yung energy, lumalabas. It's pouring. That energy is pouring. Even if you try to like ganyan, hindi. Sasabog siya. Kaya, yun yung nararamdaman ng mga tao around you. Yun yung nafe-feel nila. Yun yung nakikita nila sa'yo. Yun yung light na nararamdaman nila. That feeling of parang, I'm inspired by, and I feel safe with her, and I see her, I'm gravitated towards her because of that overflowing passion and love for the community. Yun. Kaya ka mamaki.
Pero kasi yun nga, parang, pwede naman ate.
Oo nga naman, magpatandain.
Parang, ba't bigla ako naging mama?
Oh guys, ate daw.
Tatanggapin ko pa yung ate, sige. Parang nakakatawa lang talaga yung mama. Guys.
Yeah, I mean,
pero yun, kaya parang lately din, gusto ko nga mag-reach out to you, to Christina, to Casey, yan, yung mga female figures ng community. Parang, how do you guys deal with the pressure, the responsibility? Kasi, yun nga, yun na yung parang binabrand sa akin female representation of the style. Parang, how do you guys handle mentally?
Napunta sa akin. Pero eto, I feel like, always go back to your intention. Why you're here. That why. That simple why. Why you're not stopping, why you keep doing what you're doing. It's always that. And, as in genuine love talaga. Yun talaga. Like for me, pero syempre, simula lang yan, sis. I'm telling you. It's just the beginning. And for sure, in the future, marami pang sasabak na kung ano-ano. Marami pang papasok na whatever. Maraming challenges. Lalo na ngayon na lumalaki na. Your community, it's slowly growing. It's crippling na. As in, crippling talaga yun. Yung talagang andyan na siya. Nararamdaman na siya. Your presence is being heard and seen. Maraming papasok na dyan. Negative. But, you have to hold the fort, kumbaga, na parang don't think of it as a responsibility. Kailangan maging ganito. No, don't think of it that way. Think of it na parang ine-enjoy mo siya. Yes, there is that pressure. Always. Hindi siya mawawala. Pero balikan mo kung bakit mo siya ginawa in the first place. Always that. Bakit mo siya ginawa in the first place. Tapos ako kasi, I don't know if it would work for you, na parang, every time I see a new face that lights up, na parang makikita na parang hungry to know more about the community I'm at. Parang, that one light, bibigay mo talaga lahat. Share mo lahat, what you can. And kasi alam mo, na yun next generation na yun.
Oh.
Na siya, ganun siya. It's passing the torch slowly, mindfully, and making sure na they have the right knowledge and they experience what you experience kung bakit ka nagsistay. Tapos yun, ano lang siya. Just keep doing what you're doing.
Pero ano yung reset mo pag nalolost ka?
Pag nalolost, ako yun pa din. Yun pa din na parang binabalik ko talaga siya sa feeling ko na parang why I'm doing it in the first place. Ang dami. Marami.
Galing. Parang wala ka bang taong mag-remind sa'yo? Ganon? Or parang experiences that helps you reset? Ako kasi parang kailangan pa mag-house to house para bumalik ako. Kasi parang for one whole year last year, nagugulo na yung utak ko eh. So, ko,
nagugulo siya talaga. Like ako, hindi ko naman sasabing ako lang lahat. Lahat ng tao around me may factor. Lahat sila, the ones who believe in me, the ones who like respect me, the ones yung nakakausap ko. Lahat ng babae. Lahat ng babae sa project na to, I'm inspired by you. Where you're at now, what you're doing at this moment, yung mga faces na kung nasan kayo ngayon, na-inspire ako dun. And, syempre, ako personally, yung house, Ms. Rahi, Sisi, Arte. Ayun, mga love natin sa life. Your family, as in everyone, lahat yan, nakadagdag siya. Pero, at the end of the day, with everyone supporting you, nasa iyo pa rin siya eh. Like, kasi pag ikaw bumitaw, kahit lahat yan ginaganyan ka, wala, bitaw talaga. It's, ikaw pa rin talaga. Like, ganun siya. Like, parang, just, tatag laban lang talaga. And parang yun nga, always realign to yourself, to your purpose, and make sure na talagang honest ka and authentic ka. And it's okay to take a break. It's always okay to take a break, to rest, to like, kasi hindi naman tayo, perfect. Di tayo robot. Diba? Parang, especially tayo, emotional tayo, girl. Ang dami natin iniisip and everything. Kaya, siguro, akala lang nila we're strong outside. Pero girl, ocean na ang niluha. Ocean na, ang daming battles that people don't see that we fight. Pero, it's being true and being strong sa puso mo na parang, man, gusto ko to. Kaya nga siya passion, di ba? Kaya talagang parang you're willing to sacrifice for it. You're willing to do anything for it. Kasi it's also for yourself. Ganon siya. I feel like that. Ganon. Minsan mahirap talaga. Pero, yan. Andiyan ka sa position na yan kasi ikaw yung may kaya niyan. Ikaw yung may kaya niyan. Kasi kung iba baka hindi nila kaya. Kaya ikaw yung nandyan kasi ikaw yung ready. Ready to be that person. Ready to share. Ready to give. Ikaw yun. So just embrace it. Just own it. Feeling ko kailangan rin ng time to to balance na parang
and really yung good support system.
Yes.
Talaga. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam bakit ang hili kong mag self-doubt. To a point na minsan nagsusorry na ako sa kanila kasi parang alam ko pa ulit-ulit. Parang hindi ko naman nga hinihingi yung reassurance from you guys. Pero gusto ko lang mag-open. Kasi alam mo yun, parang mag-open ako, tapos biglang mag-reassure sila. Tapos parang naiisip ko, parang every year na lang, every 2 months na lang. Tapos parang, in a way, parang iniisip ko nakakahiya na. Baka iniisip na nila, laging kailangan ko ng pep talk. Ganon, parang may self-doubt sa self-doubt.
Kaloka. Baka yun yung love language mo kasi. Di kaya yun yung love language mo? Na parang words of affirmation to you, for you. Di kaya, oy, wow, nag-aano tayo dito. Well, I don't know.
Okay, good point. Hindi ko lang pa maisip ngayon, pero good insight. Pero yun nga, ayoko ng mama. Huwag yun, guys.
So, Ate K.
Ate K, sige, tatanggapin ko.
So, alam niyo na. Siguro after 5 more years, after 10 years, saka na siya. Wag po nating patandayin si Kay. So, yeah, I love it. I love your journey. Kasi, di ba, parang, going back to what you wanna do is to represent house, to represent your style, to represent your movement. And that's what you're doing now. That is what you're showing us. And that's what you're standing for, what you're fighting for. And now, sobrang nagpo-flourish na lang scene. So, very exciting to see the growth of the house community now moving forward. And I'm excited to see your growth. Excited to see what's gonna happen. Is there anything that you wanna like promote or would like to share? Or if there are any messages that you wanna say to the people who would want to explore house and want to know about the culture of house? Any message?
If anything, you're always welcome at jams. You're always welcome in classes. Meron naman iba-ibang classes from nude floor to zero. Iba-iba. You're always welcome. Oh my gosh, di ako magaling sa ganito.
Message nyo lang sila.
Message nyo na lang. But also, if you wanna try house, again, you're always welcome. It's all love. It doesn't stop with the dance. Also, it's also with the music, the culture, and the people that you get to meet will welcome you in our house.
Yes! I love it! Yay! Thank you, Kay. Thank you so much for your time.
This opportunity.
And yeah, I hope we all had fun and learned something about house and Kay and her experience and everything.
Thank you. Thank you, Sai, for inviting me.
Of course. I mean, parang, very, si Kay, her energy is very, very chill, very light, very, yun nga, ulit-ulit, very, very honest. And yun yung talaga nakaka-inspire sa akin kasi ang bait niya. Ako kasi hindi. Char.
Hindi ka sure.
So, yun. Her energy is different. Kaya, it's very light, very welcoming. So yun nga. Welcome to the house.
Welcome to our house.
Yes. So, that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. And, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for the space. And thank you for your time. Once again, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and see you again on the next episode of Bye! Bye!
Bye!
House.
House.